So I'm going to use this video just to show you some of the frequency related features on the 9640, and as you may be able to see, I've got an output of 1 gigahertz 10 dBm into the spectrum analyzer to the left there. One of the new features brought about by the LPNX, but also available now on the standard product, if we go to the level sign preferences menu and select frequency resolution enhanced, previous menu, we can now see that we have a very substantial resolution in frequency. If I just tab across here, this is 1 gigahertz. That is 1 hertz in 1 gigahertz, so that would be 1 part per billion. And then here we have millihertz resolution, and in fact 10 microhertz resolution. 10 microhertz resolution in 1 gigahertz all the way up to 4 gigahertz, and now all the way down to 1 millihertz as well. Here we are again, we've got 10 microhertz resolution here in a 1 millihertz output. So that's a quick look at enhanced resolution. We don't want to clutter your lives with high resolution all the time, so that's why we made it an enhanced mode, and we can return now to a standard mode of 1 millihertz resolution here. Just to have a quick look at swept frequency as well. When I come into the swept frequency menu, I'm currently thinking in terms of start and stop. Frequencies on a sweep, I'm going to change that. I'm going to change the type of sweep from a linear range to a linear span. These could be logarithmic as well, but we'll use a linear span here. I'm going to use a sawtooth mode, but I could equally have sawtooth singles, triangle single, triangle repetitive. I'm going to use sawtooth repetitive mode here. Squelch will disable and exit, and now you can see we can dial in a 1 gigahertz center frequency, a span of 100 kilohertz. Linear step, well, I don't like the units of that, so we'll change from hertz to steps per sweep, and we'll dial in 1000 steps per sweep, there, and we'll dial in a step dwell of 20 milliseconds. And as you may be able to see already, we're going to have a sweep duration of 20 seconds here, and we can start it there and turn the output on. Hopefully you can now see we have a sweep progressing across the screen, and you can see here we have a progress indication currently in % of sweep completed. If I jump to that sweep bar there, I can change the units there to hertz. And now we're advancing our sweep. We have 14 digits worth of resolution on there, which gives us the finest resolution in sweep of any synthesizer currently available on the market. So we are able to very closely emulate the sweep capabilities that we used to have in analog synthesizers, continuous sweep. Well, here you can sweep in very small steps indeed, to emulate an analog sweep across a channel. Now, as we sweep here across the screen, it might be that we see on our device under test something that we're not quite sure of. What happened there, perhaps? And here we can just grab hold of the sweep with the whirly wheel, move ourselves back and forth through the point of interest before continuing the sweep from that point, or stopping the sweep and starting it again from the beginning. So there you are, a useful additional manual control over your frequency sweep.